Welcome to the campus of Tripada Gurukulam English School of Viramgam. This is the school passage area from where we enter inside and we move towards the campus. This is the boundary wall on the one side of the school, and this is the stage where we do the assembly. The choir group stands here, and then we have the children, the students of different classes. They stand there in the ground. This is the assembly area, and the assembly of the complete school is being done here into the campus. This is the admin office of the school.
Yes.
From where we enter inside the campus. This is the admin staff working in the admin. You can see that they are wearing the hand gloves, and we have kept the hand sanitizers here for the parents who are coming here. And here you can see the mission and vision of the school being printed, better citizen for better tomorrow. And you can see we have not kept any chairs here for the parents so that we can maintain a social distancing of 6 feet from the person. And the admin department been working, taking all the required precautions of COVID-19. Welcome to the computer lab of our school, where the latest technology based computer technology is being used for educating the students of our campus. Rules which we have put here on the wall so that the children comes to know what they have been allowed to follow when they are entering the lab. This is the software which the teacher can use while taking the lectures, and here we have put down certain things what the children are doing using the technology in this computer lab. This is the computer lab where you can see we have segregated the rows with individual computers being kept according to the strength of the students. We have 30 computers here which have the software technology, Windows and the internet facility as well. Here certain shortcut keys which the children should be remembering while using the computer labs are being depicted. And we have the computer teacher here, Mrs. Reena Patel. Here we have the computer teacher with us who is taking IT in class 1 to 8. She will be guiding you further about it. Good morning, ma'am.
This is the computer lab stock register, and fill up the all details in the stock registers. And this is the keyboard, and using for the easy proper typing for the students by the students.
Welcome to the special educator room of our campus. Here you can see this is the favorite room of the student and the teachers, where they come and get counseled by Daksha ma'am Jinjuwadia, who is the special educator of our campus, who does the special counseling of the students and the teaching staff regarding the different issues what they are facing. Here madam has also maintained a psychology register in which she has also added certain case studies of the students and the teachers as well, wherein she has specially counseled them, tried to find out the solution of their problem, and had really helped them in curing that. Thank you. Welcome to the medical room of our school. Here you can see the medical symbol. This is a room where no one wants to come, but yes, at the time of emergency, we have this room wherein every child or teacher is being treated for the problems if they are having. The basic, you can see the basic rules are being depicted here as in safety measures for the students which they are supposed to follow when they are into the campus. And we further I'll request my staff to explain about the medical room.
Good morning. Here are the basic medicines we are providing to the students, and these are the rules for the washing hands. Here are the basic medicines after we are keeping here after consulting to the doctors. This is the medical data file of the students. Some of the precautions and hygiene data charts, dengue chart. This is our board, the information regarding the latest like coronavirus and the precautions to be taken. These are the charts given by the government, and here are some vegetables names and then charts of hygiene and depressions and mineral data chart. This is the bed to be laid for the students. This is the height machine.
In the medical room, when we have to do the personal checkup of any child, this is what we have been kept as in privacy, and a bed is being put here so that the children can be checked up upon by the medical officer what we are having into our campus. This is the general OPD register which is being maintained by the medical officer of our school, wherein the entries of the students or the teachers who have come down are being registered, and what medicines are being given or what they are being treated upon is being mentioned into that.
Again,
This is the reading corner of the library area where we, for a safety measure, we have put a fire extinguisher here. This is the reading stand for the students wherein the different newspapers have been put here. These all are the educational papers, and this is again a reading stand with different magazines of competitive exams, giving of current affairs, general knowledge for the students. And here you can see a section of newspapers being put here, including Times of India, the open page sort of newspapers, wherein the children come in this part and do the reading of the books. This is the library of our school where the children loves to come. Here we have the librarian Mrs. Bila Patel who will be explaining you further the different sections of the library that we have prepared.
यहाँ पे देखो जैसे 00 से लेके कंप्यूटर साइंस है, यहाँ पे 0 पे फिलोसॉफी है, यहाँ पे रिलीजन लिखा है 200 पे, 300 पे सोशल साइंस, 400 पे लैंग्वेज, 500 पे साइंस, 600 पे टेक्नोलॉजी। यहाँ पे इशू रजिस्टर रखे हुए 1, 2, 3 तीनों इशू रजिस्टर है। यहाँ पे लाइब्रेरी में जो भी स्टॉक है उसका डेटा है और ये मैगजीन रजिस्टर रखा हुआ है।
This is the literature section which includes the different books of different publishers, different authors and their autobiographies which are being read by the students. This is the wash area for the girls and boys students of our school in the ground floor. Here we can see a separate partition here. From here we have the boys washroom and here we have the girls washroom. There also you can see all the safety measures which needs to be followed into the washroom are being displayed very clearly for the students outside also and inside also. This is the drinking water area wherein you can see two big coolers which cools the water and make it cold so that in the hot summers children can easily drink that, with the safety points being mentioned here. And this is the water area where you can see the different taps are here and the waters coming out of that. And here is you can see the water purifying bin plant that is been installed here, and it purifies the water which goes into the refrigerator and the cool water comes out of these taps. This is the drinking area for the upstairs classes where we have the taps with the running water, and this water comes after getting purified from the RO which is being implanted downstairs commonly for all the classes. class 1 of the school. This is a primary class wherein we can see how beautifully the walls are being creatively painted, depicting the different subjects and the content knowledge for the students. Here you can see that, and throughout the whole the class is made very interactive for the students so that the children always feel enthusiastic and interested towards the subject content what the individual teacher is trying to explain. Here the online sessions of the students are going on. We can see one of the class of grade 6, how teacher is taking the online session into the school, keeping the children live in contact with them.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Can you give one? Yes, Krish. Can you give one example of an adjective? Okay. Sheetal is a beautiful. Now, various type of adjectives. For example,
हमारा आज का श्लोक है गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु, ठीक है। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ये है हमारा मैथ्स कॉर्नर, इसमें हमने मैथ्स के चार्ट लगाए हुए हैं। ये है हमारा साइंस कॉर्नर, इसमें हमने साइंस के देखिए चार्ट ये लगाए हुए, ये देखिए, ये देखिए, ये देखिए। इसके बाद है हमारा हिंदी कॉर्नर, हिंदी में हमने भी कई सारे चार्ट लगाए हैं, इंग्लिश के ग्रामर पार्ट वगैरह सब लगाए हुए हैं हमने। इसके बाद है हमारा इंग्लिश कॉर्नर, हमने इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड सारे चार्ट यहाँ पे लगाए हुए हैं। इसके बाद आता है हमारा एसएसटी कॉर्नर, इसमें हमने एसएसटी के सारे चार्ट में सारे लगाए हुए हैं। हमने ये जो चार्ट यहाँ पे पेस्ट किए हुए हैं, ये वेस्ट पेपर पे लगाए, जो वेस्ट न्यूज़पेपर होता है उसके ऊपर हमने लगाए हुए हैं। आप लोग देख सकते हैं, देखिए, ताकि एक तो हमारे चार्ट खराब भी नहीं होंगे, अगर हमको कभी निकालना पड़े तो हमारे खराब भी नहीं होंगे और ये आराम से रहेंगे, इनको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। आप लोग देख सकते हैं, देखिए यहाँ पर भी और यहाँ पर भी हमने सबसे पहले यहाँ पे वेस्ट पेपर लगाया है और उसके बाद हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे चार्ट पेपर को लगाया है। देखिए, आज हम लोग शुरू करने वाले चैप्टर नंबर 10। आप लोगों को जैसे बोर्ड पे दिखाई दे रहा होगा, अपूर्ण का मतलब जो पहले कभी ना हुआ हो, है ना, और अनुभव यानी कि कौन बताएगा अनुभव? शब्द आपको दिखाई दे रहे होंगे।
This is the additional room what we are showing for the upgradation for class 9th and 10th. This is the class 9th class which we can see here, that we have the sitting arrangements in the form of benches being done, the softboard and nicely being decorated with the related study material according to the age level and the content knowledge level of grade 9. Here you can see that we have the sound system and the CCTV camera which is being the part of every classroom into the campus, and here also in class 9th and 10th also we have got it installed. Welcome to the grade 10th class. The interior of the class wherein the common softboard is there, and we have the notice board and the softboard here, and you can see all the different content material again is being put with the proper sitting arrangement for the students, spacious classroom, and similarly as I have already informed you in class 9, in the same way for class 10th also we have CCTV camera and the sound system This is the music room for the students. Here we can see all the different instruments and our music teacher, wherein the children are being made to come here and practice the music, which is an integral part of our curriculum. Here you can see and have a glance of that. Here is the music teacher. This is the craft room which is being designed and crafted by the art and craft teacher of our school, Kushi ma'am. This is the photo wall which is being made using different colors, showing the different concept of colors and shapes here. And here on this wall we can see the terrestrial land life is being shown, depicting the different form of lives, whether it is plants or insects or animals. Here when we come on the another wall, we can see here how beautifully not only the craft work but also the concepts of colors, different creatures which are being found in the aquatic life under the water is being shown throughout the whole wall. And similarly we can see upsides of the walls are also being drafted in the same way, showing those all things. We can see the 12 famous masterpiece of art gallery which everyone should be knowing, and the different form of arts is also being shown. Here we can see the craft teacher. She is doing her craft work. This is the sports room of our school. Here we have all the equipments and the technologies what have been required by the students to excel in the field of physical education is available. Here is the sports teacher of our school, Mr. Arvind Kapadia sir. Sir, please can you explain further?
Yes, we are maintaining the five past record holder students pictures, images, and this is sports register. They are maintaining the equipments, deadstock, as well as we have equipment of the badminton, as well as cricket, volleyball, football, and you can see this is our table tennis room also. This is to play the table tennis over here. We have some good player of the table tennis over here, and you can see sometimes students used to play carom, and then we have a group of band. They used to play, and 26 January, 15 August, and our school culture program and all. You can see here we have some exercise equipment. There are hurdles. You can see hurdles over here. We have two cricket pitch over here and one volleyball court, as well as our track. You can see outside or multiple ground over there. There is a 400-meter track, as well as we have a volleyball court, basketball court, and skating. You can see outside over there. Thank you.
been kept for if we want to do any kind of activities here in the group of students. We use this space. Also we have a projector here which has been again used using the technology if we want to show something. So you can have a glance. We have a projector here and through showing through this we can easily show it to our students. Welcome to the smart classroom of our campus. Here we teach the students using the latest technology. If we want to show any PPTs, any videos, any content which is in the form of digital, then we use this smart classroom for that. And even for teaching certain context which the teachers require in smart classes, they use it. Here we have few of the faculty members of Tripada Gurukulam English School with us. I'll just elaborate and brief you about them. Here we have Mrs. Nimisha Shukla ma'am. She is the mother teacher for class 1. She is having a rich experience of around 19 years and she is the PRT. Here we have Banlata Das ma'am. She is the class teacher of class 2nd. Ma'am is also having a rich experience of 8 years along with her and she is working in this institute since past couple of years. Here we have Hina Patel ma'am. She is the class teacher of class 3rd and she is again PRT. She is taking classes in the primary section. Here we have Mrs. Priyanka Yadav ma'am. She is also a PRT and she is having an experience of around 4 years along with her. She is Mrs. Bela and she is the librarian of our campus. Ma'am is carrying an experience of 4 years along with her. Here we have Khushi, who is the art and craft teacher of our school. Ma'am is carrying an experience of around 6 months along with her. Here we have Dhiru Makwana sir. He is the TGT for SST subject in our campus and sir is associated with our group from past 9 years and he is one of the best teacher awarded teacher in our campus in academic year 2019-20. Thank you so much. I am Miss Anju Kumari, principal of this campus. I am having an experience of 15 years along with me.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है ब्रिजेन पांड्या और मैं त्रिपदा गुरुकुलम कैंपस में मैनेजर की पोस्ट पे हूँ और मेरा टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस 13 साल का है। थैंक यू।